inside your site's head section. Done correctly, it's safe, fast, and affects your whole site at once. I'll walk you through the exact path in Weebly and share a few practical tips so you know what to expect. Start by opening your site editor. Sign in to your Weebly account and open the website you want to edit so you're looking at the main editor interface. Make sure you're in the correct site if you manage more than one. You don't need to open any specific page or drag any elements onto the canvas for this. We're heading to a settings area that controls global site behavior. Next, go to Settings. You'll find this tab in the site editor's navigation. Clicking it takes you away from design tools and into the controls that affect how your site functions. This area is where Weebly stores options for SEO, publishing, and more advanced tweaks that apply across your pages. Inside Settings, click SEO. The SEO panel is where Weebly provides dedicated fields for code injection. It's designed to help you place snippets exactly where services expect them, without having to modify your theme files or dig into templates. Find the header code section. This is a text box labeled for header injection, which means whatever you paste here will load between your site's head tags on every page. That's the correct spot for things like analytics scripts, site verification tags, and metadata that should be present site-wide. Only paste code from sources you trust, and don't add extra head or script tags beyond what your provider gives you. If a tool tells you to put something in the head, this is the right place. Now, paste your code. Copy the snippet from the tool you're connecting and paste it exactly as provided into the header code box. If you have more than one snippet, place each on its own line. Keeping a short note in an HTML comment can help you remember what each snippet does. Avoid editing the code unless the provider specifically instructs you to. Finally, click Publish. Your changes won't go live until you publish, so give that button a moment to finish. After publishing, your header code is active across your site. If anything looks off, remove the snippet, publish again, and recheck. Keeping a backup of the original code in a separate document is a smart habit. And that's all you need to add custom header code in Weebly.